Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple calendar icon with thin lines. Let's start by sketching out the future icon. Now I'll transfer this sketch to Adobe Illustrator. I'll be using a modular grid that's 256 by 256 points with an 8-point spacing. Next, I'll adjust the sketch to fit the dimensions of the modular grid and reduce its transparency. To begin, I'll create a rectangle for the top part of the calendar. I'll set the line thickness to 8 points with rounded corners and remove the fill from the rectangle. The next step is duplicating the rectangle and moving it below while adjusting its height. Now, I'll select the Direct Selection tool. With it, I'll select the corners of the rectangles and give them a 20 points rounded corner radius. It's starting to look more like a calendar. I'll copy the bottom rectangle and move it further down, reducing its width and removing the top part using the Direct Selection tool. Now I'll choose the Ellipse tool and create an ellipse with a diameter of 20 points. I'll copy the ellipse and place it symmetrically on the opposite side. Next, I'll select both circles using the Selection tool. Then, I'll go to Object, Blend, and choose Make. Again, under Object, I'll select Blend, then Blend Options. In the dialog that appears, I'll choose Specified Steps for spacing and set it to 2 steps. Clicking OK. Now, under Object, I'll select Expand and click OK. I'll pick the Pen tool and draw a line above the first circle. I'll make 3 copies of this line and position them above all the circles. Once more with the Pen tool, I'll create a horizontal line below the first circle. I'll also make 3 copies and move them below the remaining circles. Using the Selection tool, I'll select the 4 horizontal lines and make copies to create days indicators on the calendar. Now I can delete the sketch and modular grid. In the end, I've got a calendar icon that looks like this. Next, I'll create an ellipse, for example, with a diameter of 400 points. I'll remove the line fill and apply a colorful gradient background. With the Selection tool, I'll select the calendar and make a copy. In the Object menu, I'll choose Expand and click OK. Then, I'll use the Unite function to combine all the calendar elements. Now I'll fill it with white color. I'll move the ellipse to a lower layer and adjust its diameter to make the icon look more spacious. I'll copy the text and use the Recolor Artwork tool to adjust the gradient colors to my liking. And there you have it, my calendar icon is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.